Hey everyone, it's Colin giving you a quick overview on how to use the Trainerize app through a web portal. If you look at the top here, you're going to use adirondackclub.trainerize.com, and then that's going to ask you for your login information. You can have this saved. This is what your dashboard is going to look like. You're going to have dash here. It's going to have things to do today. We may have stuff scheduled here. I have the meal planning section on, so it tells me what I need to hit for my nutritional goals. But you may have workouts in here, meditation habits, whether those are nutrition habits, behavior habits, sleep habits, whatever else that your trainer may schedule. This will sync with your different apps. So this is sunk to my Apple Watch. Sleep is a relatively new thing that they've added that I haven't been playing around with. Resting heart rate. It will track body weight. I'm not sure why my body weight is in there. Steps for today, doing all right. It's 1150 and I've got my 4,000 steps in. Just got to double that by the end of the day. If you're doing body fat percentage, it will do that. And you can also graph it out. Let's see what happens if I click that. So you can look at, if you've got progress photos, maybe over the last 2 years, you can see your weight if you're tracking it. I went 2 years out because I just assumed that's what my data was in there. But then there's different lifts here that you can look through. It'll have every exercise you've ever done. So looking through that can be a little cumbersome. So we'll go back to the dashboard. So if you do this on the app, that kind of next area is just your training programs. Okay. You'll see like what phase you're in, and then what your workouts are. If you click on this, you can look through what your programs are doing. There's not a from here. There's not like a start now like there is on the app. So it's best used on the app. You can print these up here using this print workout button. Just make sure you set your parameters up because it's going to print a lot of pages. So if you just want the workout, make sure you do page 1, and you may have to modify that a little bit. So we're gonna go, you can message with your coach. Oh, Susan just messaged me a while ago, and then this is me messaging myself. If you're in a group, I am in a group, which you're probably not. If you're in a group, you can message into that group. I'm using a meal plan, so this has some of the foods that it suggests that I eat to hit my goals. If we go into we can add a workout here. So I'm adding it from this program, and then you pick from the drop down. So maybe it's going to do a little salt bike action. Now I'm not entirely sure that this is now put onto my calendar. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see. So now let's see, it's in here. We can enter stats from here. So you have to add the workout and enter stats, and then I can put in. I don't really have any, so maybe that wasn't a good one to show you. I will add a workout here that has some stuff where we can add some data. Yep, that works. And you can add multiple workouts here at once. So then I click on it, and then it's enter stats. So you can put in your reps, then sets. It doesn't really give you some of the video functions, but you can play around with different exercises you want to add. If you're going to add stuff in here through here, or substitute this through the app, and then it's going to take you through your whole workout if you're doing it from a computer. Definitely suggest you can add in a comment here. It's like, that was hard, or you can just go thumbs up. So those are me messaging to my coach. You can print out the workout and actually check your progress on that workout. So a little less functionality on this end. If you scroll down, you can see some of your achievements. You can, if you click badge turn, you can look at how many workouts you've done historically. So definitely suggest using your clicking around here all over the place. Using the app, it's going to be a little bit more functional. It's going to give you a little bit more action. There's one other thing I wanted to check here that I forgot to click in on. So we're going to just open up one more workout. Getting all my workouts in today. Enter stats. I wanted to see one thing. Nope. So if you've done through the app, it'll show you what you did last for weight. So it doesn't really do that on the computer. Unsure why, but I think their goal is to incentivize using the app, and that's where a lot of the action is. So check out my video on how to use the app as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope this video was helpful. We look forward to seeing you around the turf.